Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the full review of this ultra-luxury custom GMC van, a vehicle that perfectly blends bold road presence, premium comfort, and VIP-level features. This isn't just a van. This is a rolling luxury lounge designed for those who want style, space, and status all in one package. Let's start with the exterior design. The first thing you'll notice is the massive chrome front grille with the bold GMC badge sitting proudly in the center. The aggressive LED headlights, sculpted bumper, and extremely low stance give this van a sporty yet premium look. The two-tone white and deep blue paint finish makes it stand out instantly. Large custom alloy wheels paired with red brake calipers enhance its performance-inspired appearance. From the side profile, the stretch body design clearly indicates that this van is built for spacious luxury inside. Now let's step into the interior, and this is where things truly become impressive. As soon as the sliding doors open, you're welcomed into what feels like a five-star executive lounge. The blue and white premium leather seating looks absolutely stunning. Soft touch materials, high-gloss wood panels, and ambient LED lighting throughout the cabin create a modern and upscale atmosphere. The seating layout features face-to-face sofa-style arrangements on both sides, making it perfect for business meetings, family trips, or VIP travel. There's a large central display screen mounted at the front of the rear cabin, where passengers can enjoy movies, presentations, or entertainment during long journeys. The ceiling design includes stylish LED light strips that enhance the futuristic vibe of the cabin. In the center, you'll find a premium console equipped with cup holders, storage compartments, and what appears to be a mini refreshment setup. Each passenger area includes personal controls, armrests, and luxury finishing details. This setup is clearly designed for comfort during long-distance travel. When it comes to performance, GMC vans are typically powered by strong V8 engines, delivering impressive torque and smooth highway cruising. Despite its large size, this van offers stable handling and a surprisingly comfortable ride. The suspension system absorbs bumps efficiently, ensuring that passengers inside experience minimal road disturbance. Steering response is controlled and confident, especially considering the length and weight of the vehicle. Safety is also an important aspect. Vehicles in this category usually come equipped with airbags, parking sensors, rear-view cameras, stability control systems, and advanced braking technology. These features make it suitable not just for VIP use, but also for executive families who value both luxury and safety. In terms of comfort, this van is built for long journeys. Whether it's airport transfers, corporate events, road trips, or luxury rentals, it delivers a premium experience every time. The spacious cabin, plush seating, ambient lighting, and entertainment system create an atmosphere that feels exclusive and relaxing. Now let's talk about pricing. Custom luxury vans like this are significantly more expensive than standard models because of the high-end materials, custom modifications, and advanced interior features. However, for buyers seeking prestige, comfort, and uniqueness, this investment can absolutely be worth it. Overall, if we rate this luxury GMC van: exterior design 9/10, interior luxury 10/10, comfort level 10/10, road presence 9/10. This vehicle truly redefines what a luxury van can be. It's bold, elegant, powerful, and designed to impress wherever it goes. If you enjoy detailed luxury vehicle reviews like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another incredible machine.